Clearbrow, North Dallas, Argyle, Texas. 23 Tesla Model Y, full front with some rear hips done on the lower doors, mirrors, A-pillars, and a rear trunk strip. Xpel XR Plus, window film 30%, all glass, windshield done in 70. Let's take a walk around, look at how we wrap every edge of this thing. So starting here with fender. So all this coming in, the bumper into the fender into the bumper area, safely wrapped, not going anywhere, trust me. Fender wrapped, front trunk, hood wrapped all the way around. No lines all the way through. Coming up here, fully wrapped. A-pillars are done, fully wrapped around, no lines on top. That's the cool thing, you don't even know it's done. That's what you need if you want the full benefit of the film. All wrapped inside the cameras, all wrapped underneath these shrouds, no lines. Everything looks fantastic, all wrapped fender into door. Mirrors, fully wrapped around this side and around this side, all the way to the bottom. Coming back to our rear door, I make my own rear rock panel because the front tires throw a lot of rocks here and it's a pretty large area. So I start up here and I come all the way around and I follow that body line and wrap it in, and wrap it in. Our rear trunk strip, this is just what it is. It's a loading strip. It starts here, it runs the width of the trunk opening or bigger, and it ramps around this edge so you don't chip it. The window film is XR Plus, highest heat rejection known to man right now, and we run our edges super tight. So if you want a nice custom job, guaranteed for life, transferable warranty, free replacement if you damage it, and the PPF is a 10-year guarantee, all in writing. Headlights, fog lights, mirrors, bumper, hood, front bumper. Oh, here's the thing about the front bumper. This tow hook, no line. Everybody usually cuts it out and has a line that runs all the way around, inside and outside. The full thing gets wrapped. If yours doesn't look like that, shame on you. You went to the wrong place. I know other people do it, but I just don't know where they're at. Emblem, pretty much everybody does it. Take it off, wrap the full frunk, put it back on. Looks like it never got wrapped. That's about it. Front windshield's done, 70%. All the doors 30. Everything looks fantastic. Again, there it is, nicely done. Nicely done, everything's perfect. So there it is, nice clean wrap done by Clearbrow, North Dallas. Hope you guys enjoy the channel, clearbrownorthdallas.com. Working on this one next. Then the Turbo S. Still working on that Ferrari to get it all ready to go for a stealth wrap, and then a couple more Porsches over there. But back to the Tesla, I'll keep you posted on the rest. Any questions, let us know. Pricing, unfortunately, I won't list on the site as it does tend to change with increases for manufacturers and whatnot. So if you write me, send me your email in the post, or just give us a call or go to my site, clearbrownorthdallas.com, and just send me a quick note, what you have and what you need an estimate on. It's that simple. So you don't need to fill out all that estimate form. And phone number 214-414-3809, Clearbrow, North Dallas. Take care.